Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the Q23 smartwatch, and of course, just like me, you are interested on the available watch faces for this smartwatch. So it is already preloaded with several watch faces here. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have at least 6 watch faces available for our smartwatch. Okay, you can either long press to change, okay, or you can just go to the settings. Okay, let's go here to the settings, tap on the settings, and we have here the display. Okay, watch face, tap on watch face, and you can select the desired watch face here. Okay, in the support app, okay, it is using the Keep Health support app. Let me show it to you. We have here the Keep Health support app. Okay, if you open it, go to the device. So we have here the watch face section. Okay, tap on it, and it will load several watch faces. Okay, categorized into different categories here. Okay, we have functional series, creative design, business, future sense, minimalist style, what else, color and line. Okay, so we have here a notification. Our WhatsApp is out of date. As you can see, we can receive it here. You can also customize it, choose a template, and choose a background. Okay, so this is the custom watch faces. So let's try first, okay, in downloading a watch face. Okay, so let's go here with the hot section. Okay, we have beautiful watch faces here. I'm impressed with the collection. Okay, so let's pick one. Okay, let's pick the bright watch face, so you can see the border for the smartwatch. Okay, this one. Let's pick this one. Okay, simple but bright. Okay, install. So camera permission are not enabled. Okay, I still have to enable the camera. Okay, allow Keep Health Plus to take pictures and record video. Allow Keep Health Plus to access photos, media, and files on your device. Allow it. And again, let's tap on it. Let's see. Okay, it's now installing. Okay, so the UI here did not change. Okay, it's just an animation here and a progress bar. As you can see, it changes to installing, and we have here the progress bar. Okay, it's a different method from Keep Health in downloading a watch face to your smartwatch. So 36%. Let's wait. Okay, 43%. Okay, we are on 95%, 99%, and we have it here. Okay, so far it goes smoothly, and we can see it here in our smartwatch. Okay, and now we can see the black border here. It's thin, okay, slim on up, left and right, but it's a bit big here on the bottom part. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, before we proceed to the custom watch face, how about the functional series here? Let's see. So it has a lot of details for the functional series. Okay, I like this. Okay, so let's tap on this, install, and now it is now installing. Let's see if this will be much faster. Okay, 6%. Seems like the same speed in downloading the watch face. Okay, so I think we have successfully installed the watch face. Okay, so functional watch face, we have the time, the date. What else do we have here? We have the, I think this is GPS, the heart rate, the weather, calories burned, and the steps, okay, taken. So this is cool look. It is a cool looking watch face here. Okay, so let's go with our custom watch face. So tap on customize. Okay, so we have here, there's only one template here, so there's nothing to choose, I think. Okay, do we have any options? Nothing. Okay, choose background, so tap on it. So we'll pick this one, rotten mango, then check. Okay, so we have here a preview of our watch face. Then let's see, apply. Okay, it's now downloading the watch face. I think the only issue here is the downloading of the application is, or the downloading of the watch face is a bit slow, okay, compared to other applications that we have used. For example, the Zordai is a very fast application when it comes to downloading watch faces. But so far, the collection here of the watch face, okay, for our smartwatch is good. It has a quality and well designed watch faces so far. Okay, it's now 39%. Let's see. We're almost half. Okay, 54%. Okay, we are almost done here. 91%, 92%. And I think we're done now. Okay, so we have our custom watch face. Okay, so far that's it. You can only choose a template here. So far there's only one template. No option to change the font or the color of the font, and you can choose the background for the custom watch face. In the me section, let's see. So we have here the downloaded watch faces. These are the preloaded watch faces, and we have here the downloaded watch faces. Okay, I don't think that you can remove this. Maybe you can remove these downloaded watch faces. Okay, let's see, there's no option also. Edit. Okay, I don't know if you can remove this. So far I don't see any options here. Okay, we'll see, maybe we'll have an update. Okay, but so far that's the section for the watch face of the Q23 smartwatch. So we have an update here, so we'll try to check it. Okay, still battery too low. We'll charge our smartwatch and let's see if we can update. Okay, so we'll charge our smartwatch first. But so far that's it on how to download and the available watch faces for our smartwatch, Q23 smartwatch, with a Keep Health application. So if you want to download additional watch faces, it's available here in the Keep Health. Okay, they have a good collection of watch faces here. Okay, and you can also have your own custom watch faces. So if you have any questions regarding this video tutorial, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.